for a friend of mine's daughter tomorrow night. She's moving to Charlotte, so I'll probably stop by there for a little bit. You're on the Michael Berry Show, Open Line Friday. Delighted to have you, dear. Go ahead.
Thank you. I just want to tell you thank you. On Monday, your show inspired me to put up a missing man chair at my business in Porter. I own the old Roy Harris. Jackets, matches, whatever, and it just, what you said on Monday just made me realize how important this Memorial Day is.
Well, thank you.
I really enjoy your show. I listen to you every morning, and the fact that